Hello guys, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my Thumbnail Blaster review video. So if you never heard about Thumbnail Blaster, so this is a software that is used to create thumbnails for YouTube videos. And I'm currently user of the Thumbnail Blaster, and I think that's one of the reasons that I wanted to share with you, because I'm a user of this product and I'm very happy with it, but I wanted to show you a little bit of what it looks like inside so you can take a look around and see if it is for you or not. So what is Thumbnail Blaster, first of all? So it is a software that is used for creation of thumbnails and is a drag and drop software. So it makes really easy to create a thumbnail. So first step is you select one template and then you customize, you do all the editing that you want to do. It is very easy to do too. And then the third one is publish and hopefully get views for your video. So one of the things that is important to know, why creating a thumbnail is so important. Why can't I just upload a video and let YouTube pick whatever they're going to show as a thumbnail? Because as you know, YouTube is very competitive these days. There are millions and millions of videos being downloaded every day, and for you to stand out in a crowd, you need to have a good thumbnail. And the reason is, when someone is going scrolling down the feed on the YouTube feed, if you don't have a good thumbnail, they're going to just pass by your video. It could be the best video ever, but they're never gonna watch it, because the only thing they're gonna see about your video when your video is on the feed is the thumbnail and also a little bit of the description of your video. But what it really is, like the invitation to watch your video, is your thumbnail. So you need to create a good one. So this is what a Thumbnail Blaster allows you to do. This is not an expensive software. I actually have the standard license, and I paid, I think, like $39 with my discount coupon. And I'll leave a link on my video description for you to be able to take advantage of the same discount that I did. So these are some examples of the templates that they have inside, and it really is not a complicated software at all. You're going to really like it. So let me just bring you inside of the dashboard so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here we are inside of the Thumbnail Blaster dashboard. There are some things that you can do here. You can download your video ready inside of the dashboard and then create the thumbnail for it and have it upload directly to your channel. Or I usually don't do that, but that's an option that you have. And once you do that, if you use Thumbnail Blaster as a full capacity, and that I'm not using, I don't know what I'm not doing actually. I should start doing. Once you do that inside of Thumbnail Blaster, you have the option of do split test. What is a split test? So a split test is when you create 2 thumbnails for the same video. And inside of Thumbnail Blaster, the thumbnails are going to be assigned to the video. So for example, one time is going to be shown in YouTube as, for example, thumbnail A, and the next time is going to be showing thumbnail B. So it does a comparison of which one of the thumbnails gets more clicks. And of course you want the one that is going to perform better. So this is what you can do with the split test. Let me just show you quickly. Oh, by the way, there are a lot of training videos inside. So they do a really good job training you to use the software. It's pretty cool, really. But anyway, even if you don't watch, of course, you should watch the videos to make it easier so you can start hit the ground running. But using Thumbnail Creator is really easy. Let me show you how it is. Okay, so you go to Thumbnail Creator, and actually let's start with no video, because I don't have a video downloaded. This is the video that I'm going to be actually talking about Thumbnail Blaster. So once you go in the area to create the thumbnail, Okay, so we are inside now of the area where the templates are. So like I said, I have the standard license. The standard license allows me to use all the templates that have the green line on top of it. If you want to go with the club that gives many more options, you can use all the green ones plus all the purple ones. So you're going to have many more options than I actually have with the standard. I'm happy with what I'm doing, but I'm actually considering updating to the club just to have more options. But I can really do a lot with what I have. So I have 30 templates that I can play with, and you're gonna see that you can pretty much change everything in a template. So it becomes a brand new template every time you play with, really. So let's go here. Let me show you around. So you have, like I said, you can do you can use with the standard, you can use everything that has the green line on. So let me go down to the purple and I can show you what the difference. So they have really nice ones here on purple for the club. And if I try to use a template that is not included in my license, it's gonna tell me that I have to upgrade. Okay. Alright, so let's just go back to the green ones that I can use, and let's just go right here with this guy so I can preview the template before I decide if I want to use it or not. So this is the preview. It's kind of cool, right? So I'm going to close. Let me show you just one more for you guys so you can see. Let's see this girl here. Same thing, preview. So this is another option here. Let's close. So let's pick one here. Let's go back to this guy here. Okay, so let's actually use this template so I can show you how it's done, how I can edit. Okay, so it's opening up and it's coming out here. So once it's here, I can change everything. I can change this. Everything is changeable. So this is really cool because I can move things around, or I can change the text altogether. I can change this image. I can change this, can take this out. I can change the color of my background. So as you can see, it's really simple to do. And let me show you something else here. So here you have the folder that has images. So you can upload your own images, or you can use the images that are offered to you inside of the system. There are many images here. In addition to, it's directly connected to Pixabay, so you can actually search for something here. Let me put, for example, a computer. Let's see what's gonna come up. So images related to computers come up here, and I can, if I want to use one of those images, I just need to click on it and it's going to show right here. Okay, so you see how it works now. So it's very simple. I can change the fonts, I can change the color of the font, I can increase the size. So everything is like with the click of a mouse. Drag and drop. I can break down in different pieces. So it really is a really cool software, and like I said, it's very affordable. If I think about a negative, I would just say that, of course, we always want more, right? So with my standard plan, standard license, I get 30 templates. Of course, I want more templates. Everybody wants more. But like I said, I can do a lot with what I have. For example, this one is included in my license, and 29 more are. And with the option, because I have the option of edit everything that is in here, the 30 becomes hundreds of it, right? Because I can really, every time I can make a change in a color or something. So you never, my thumbnails are never going to be the same. So I can always modify things. So that's cool. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long, but for example, if I was happy with this thumbnail here, what I could do is I could rename it to whatever I want, and then I would save and continue. Okay, so I'll save it, and once I save here, it means that I can actually reuse this template for something else in the future. And then I can save as a PNG or a JPEG in my laptop. So this is very nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link with my discount for Thumbnail Blaster in the description of this video in case you wanna check it out. Thanks for coming to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy, be good, and I'll talk to you later. Okay? Bye.